Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Potato juice for gastritis. All you need to know is harm and benefit. Gastritis is a fairly common gastrointestinal problem. Various foods contain substances that irritate the gastric mucosa. Others, on the contrary, help to solve these diseases, including potato juice, a fairly well-known traditional medicine for gastritis. Let's take a look at what exactly is the benefit of potato juice for the stomach in such a disease, the precursor of an ulcer. The benefits of potato juice. Potato juice contains a lot of starch and various active substances, due to which it gives the body astringent, anti-inflammatory and wound-healing properties. Also, the product contains a lot of vitamins, microelements that promote the activation of the digestive process, helping food to be assimilated with quality. But with gastritis, this function is usually impaired. An important benefit is that potato juice can relieve pain, promotes the regeneration of damaged cells of the gastric mucosa. This product helps to restore the stomach, even with advanced and exacerbated forms of gastritis. Treatment of gastritis with potato juice. With this disease, people will soon learn that it is not easy to treat. Potato juice will make things easier. Certain requirements must be met. You will need 1 glass of potato juice, 200 milliliters, cook right before drinking. Take 2-3 medium-sized potato tubers, peel and grate on a fine grater, then squeeze the juice out of the mass through cheesecloth or cotton cloth. You need to make juice quickly so that the starch does not lose its beneficial properties when it comes into contact with air. It is advisable to prepare potato juice early in the morning. Take the entire serving on an empty stomach at once. You can have breakfast only half an hour after that. Only light meals, well digestible, not fatty, should be included in the diet. Juice needs to be treated for 10 days. This is enough to restore the gastric mucosa, get rid of pronounced symptoms of gastritis. For prevention, potato juice should be drunk twice a year. Remember that potato juice is contraindicated in people with diabetes due to the increased starch content. It is better for them to take such foods with caution. And in general, the product does not have serious restrictions on consumption as such. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.